my haul videos. This is going to be a fun Zivame haul with a slight Bollywood twist. Now I know I did a recent lingerie haul video on my channel, but my sister was in town that time and she rated most of the products that I ordered. So I went ahead and I got myself a couple of more things from Zivame, and the best part is that they have the Grand Lingerie Festival sale starting on their website today, which is the 16th of September at 8 p.m. They have up to 60% off across all their products on their website, which I think is huge. I mean, especially because we don't get to watch any blockbuster movies right now in the pandemic. At least we have blockbuster sales. Literally, that's the only thing keeping me entertained, to be very honest. So they also have free shipping. They have a 15-day easy exchange and return, and they also have cash on delivery available. So I highly suggest that if you guys are planning to shop for lingerie, do go check out Zivame. I'm going to be showing you all these products and talking about them in detail. So let's get right into it. Before I get started with the haul, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and also check out my Instagram feed. I do post daily OOTDs over there, and all the details of outfits that I wear during my videos on my channel, you'll find the details, all of them on my feed. Trust me, it's a fun feed. So do go follow me there as well. Now let's get started. So the first thing that I got was this night suit set. It's the full sleeves and a full length pajama set. Now I saw Alia Bhatt wearing a very similar night suit on her Instagram feed. She recently posted it. The print was obviously a little different, but the color was exactly the same. In fact, I've got a lot of Bollywood inspired things for this haul video, so keep an eye out for that. Zivame has a lot of colors and a lot of prints available in night suits, so you might want to check that out. In fact, I couldn't resist myself from picking up another pajama. This is not a set, but it's a very cute unicorn printed pajama. I saw Aditi Rao Hydari wearing a very similar unicorn pajama set on her Instagram again, so I had to pick this up for myself. Both of them are very soft and very comfortable. It's made of cotton, so I love the material as well. You guys know how much I love cotton material, and I think both of them are super comfortable, and I highly recommend these if you're looking to buy some more night suits for yourself. The second thing that I picked up from Zivame was this shapewear. I have done videos in which I've spoken about shapewear, so I'm going to mention those links down below. Do go check those out. This one is slightly longer in length, and it also targets your thighs. So it targets your waist, your butt area, and also your thighs. These would be perfect for bodycon dresses, be it midi, maxi, or mini dresses. Something like, for example, what Priyanka Chopra is wearing in this photo with this grey dress. Or Disha Patni in this black bodycon dress. I highly recommend that you keep one in your wardrobe because these really help you define your body. Whenever you're wearing something body fitting, it helps sort of hide those love handles, which I know a lot of people are conscious of. I myself am. So if you're looking for a shapewear, I highly recommend this one because it targets from your waist till the thigh area. It targets all those parts. Also guys, all the product links will be mentioned down below with the sizes that I ordered them in, so it's easier for you to pick out something for yourself. You can also use my code Ishita Zivame for a 10% off, but this will only be for the new users of the website. The next thing that I picked up was a set of gym clothes. Now I'm highly inspired by Malaika Arora's gym wear and her gym outfits. She gets papped so much in those gym clothes. So inspired by her, I picked up this navy blue pair of leggings. Now the material is extremely stretchable and comfortable. Along with this, I also picked up this tank top. This tank top also has a very soft material and it's very breathable, perfect for working out, especially if you're doing, weight training or just running. I think these are super comfortable clothes. I love pairing them together because this is like a bright blue and this is like a navy blue. And Malaika, in fact, wears a lot of these tank tops and leggings. I'll show you guys a couple of photos on the screen. So yeah, inspired by her, I picked these up and I'm absolutely loving them. In case you're looking for gym clothes, this brand Zelocity has some amazing affordable stuff available on Zivame, so do go check that out. Also, before I move on to the rest of the haul, haul, I do want to tell you guys that Zivame also has a golden ticket contest going on, and you can win some really exciting things. For that, you have to download the app, and you'll find all the details on their social media handles as well. Now let's move on to the next thing. I also got myself a t-shirt bra that is also a strapless bra. I literally have so many of these in my wardrobe because black and nude bras, like I've spoken about so many times in my previous videos as well, are my go-to lingerie. So I picked this up, and so many of you keep asking me, what I wear under off-shoulder dresses, off-shoulder outfits. This is what I wear exactly. In fact, Ananya Pandey wears a lot of these off-shoulder outfits, which are super cute. I tried to recreate one of them, the white top and the blue jeans one. I didn't have the exact clothes, but it was a super cute outfit, and I think it needed to be recreated. Also, in case you guys are confused about what size to pick up from the website, Zivame has something called the Fit Code, which helps you pick up the right size for yourself. I have used it myself multiple times, in fact spoken about it in my earlier videos as well, so I highly recommend that you guys try that out. Now the last thing in my haul are these pair of boy shorts. Now boy shorts are basically female versions of boxers, and the best part about them is that they're super comfortable and they don't give you any panty lines because they have a higher butt coverage. So you can wear them with your dresses, your skirts. In fact, they are best for wearing under dresses and skirts, and even sometimes jeans, because sometimes the panty line shows even through the jeans and it does not look good, let me tell you that. Also, to answer your question, because so many of you asked me in the last haul video that what should you wear under mini skirts and mini dresses, this is your answer. You should wear boy shorts. So do keep one in your lingerie collection. So that was my lingerie Zivame haul. I hope you guys found it helpful in some way or the other and liked my Bollywood twist as well. Don't forget that Zivame has a Grand Lingerie Festival sale going on right now on their website, which has 60% off, free shipping, COD, and 15-day easy policy of return and exchange as well. So I think it's the best time to shop online right now. And as usual, if you like my content and would like to see me more, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Comment down below with what you want to see next on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.